name is Ian and you are watching a Driving MX-5 channel, and today we're going to be installing some LED turn signals in my 2019 30th Anniversary Edition Miata. Now Mazda was kind enough to use LEDs for the daytime running lights, the headlights, and the tail lights in this car, but unfortunately the turn signals are all halogens. Now while they do work, they get that fade in and fade out every single time they're activated, and they make the car look a little bit older than it is. They don't make it look quite as modern as it should be. So we're going to clean that up with these beautiful LED bulbs from LastFit. These bulbs are CAN bus ready. Now essentially what that means is your car has a CAN bus system where these bulbs interact with the electronics. If one of them goes out, you'll get a little warning light on the dash letting you know, or you might get what's called hyper blinking. Now most cars made after 2005 have this CAN bus system, so make sure if your car is after 2005, check to see if it is CAN bus by just removing the bulb and seeing how the car behaves, and that way you can play it safe and make sure that the bulb works well with the car. Now quick disclaimer, LastFit is not paying me to do this video, but they did send me these bulbs to try out and make this video for you guys. So I am going to give my honest review on these bulbs. If I recommend them, then I'll make a link in the description below. I'll also have a discount code for you guys to use so you could save a little bit of money as well and improve the look of your car. They make other bulbs for all other types of vehicles, so make sure to check out their website regardless of whether or not you have a Miata. Now let's go ahead and get started with the installation process. So to begin this job, you're going to want to jack up the front end of the car and then rotate the wheel towards you. That will give us plenty of access to this inner fender lining, which we'll remove in order to gain access to the turn signal. So you're going to want to take a small flat blade screwdriver and remove 7 clips, these little plastic retaining clips here, 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 and then one of them right there. Removing these will allow us to peel the fender lining back and gain access to that light bulb. So the process is pretty simple, but you do have to be careful not to break these. So you can see there's kind of this outer ring and then a little inner flat piece here. The technique is to find the little cutouts in this outer ring, place your screwdriver underneath, and then just wiggle it and pry up. Once you hear that click, you can just wiggle the clip out and repeat this process for all of the other clips. Be very careful, obviously, not to damage your paint. All right, now with those 7 clips removed, we can go ahead and take this fender lining and just sort of peel it back. Again, be careful we don't damage it or anything. So now with the fender lining peeled away, we have great access to the turn signal. First, we'll have to remove this little electrical clip here. It's got a simple little push tab. It looks shaped like a T. So at the same time, you push it and just pull the socket right off. Then we got the bulb socket itself. We're just going to twist that 45 degrees counterclockwise, and the turn signal pulls right out. Now to replace the turn signal with the new LastFit unit, we're simply going to pop this old light out and install the new one. Now just simply do the reverse, insert the turn signal, twist it clockwise until it locks into place, attach the connector, and then verify that your turn signals are working. Now if the LED simply doesn't work or doesn't flash, then you're going to want to take the bulb out of the socket again, flip it 180 degrees, and reinstall it. But now that we've confirmed that everything is working, we can go ahead and reinstall the fender liner and then simply reinstall these clips. Again, it's super simple. Just take this, make sure that the little inner piece is pulled away from the outer ring, place it through the hole, and then just push the centerpiece until it clicks into place. And now once you've done that, just simply repeat the process on the other side. All right, so here you guys have a direct comparison side by side. Halogen bulb there on the left, LastFit LED there on the right. I'm super happy with this mod. This has to be one of the easiest and most satisfying mods to do to your car, just simple LED lights. So check out LastFit's full range of LED products. They got them for just about any car and manufacturer out there. So go check out their website. I'll put a link in the description below, and make sure you use the code Ian and LastFit10. Type that in at checkout and make sure you get 10% off of your order. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helps. Make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel to keep up with all the latest videos that I post. I can't wait to see you in the next video.